how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset the Oculus Quest 2. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now there are multiple reasons to reset a Meta Quest. When you perform a factory reset on the Oculus, the headset returns to its factory original state. This process removes firmware updates and restores the original firmware. It also removes all of the saved game data and downloaded games and returns any settings you have tweaked to their original state. Now there are two reasons to factory reset an Oculus Quest 2. Now you're getting rid of the headset maybe if you're planning on selling or giving away your headset, or other is if your headset is malfunctioning. If you're experiencing problems with your Quest headset, then performing a factory will often fix the problem. So how do we do that? Well, in order to factory reset right from the Oculus Quest, no need without an app or anything as such, press and hold the power button and the volume down buttons on your Quest. So make sure to press the power button as well as the volume down buttons together until it turns on. Then after you turn it on, you just use and put on your Oculus headset and you'll see this kind of interface which says USB update mode. Now over here you can see we don't have mouse pad, our controllers are not going to work here. So how we navigate is using the volume button to navigate up and down and power button to actually select it. So use the volume down button to highlight the factory reset option, then press the power button to go ahead and select it. As you do that, use the volume button to highlight yes, erase and factory reset, then press the power button to initiate the request. Now your Quest will perform a factory reset, so you will have to perform the initial setup and download all of your games again the next time you turn it on. And that's all it takes to factory reset your Oculus Quest 2 on headset. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.